Hey everybody, it's Robin and welcome to my channel. Today on the Robin's Nest, I'm going to be showing you guys how to decorate an under the sea theme cake for a child who's turning 1. It's going to be bright and colorful and absolutely adorable, so this should be really fun. Now let's get into it. So for today's cake, I baked up 2 6-inch and 2 4-inch vanilla cake layers, which we're first going to level out, then we're going to torque to give us 4 equal layers. So once you finish leveling and torting your layers, you can go ahead and start stacking and filling them. So we're going to begin with our 6-inch layer first, and we're going to use a little bit of icing to attach our first layer to our cake board, and then we can proceed to stack and fill them. Now once you've reached your final layer, we're going to switch over to our 4-inch and repeat all those same steps once again. So now we're going to pop both of our cakes in the fridge to chill for about 15 or 20 minutes to allow them to firm up and really lock those icing layers into place. So when we're doing our crumb coat, our layers aren't sliding all over the place. Alright, so off to the fridge we go. So while we're waiting for our cakes to chill, we're going to start working on our cake topper because this is going to need the most amount of time to dry. So I've drawn up a little template here. As you can see, this is what we're going to be putting on the top of our cake. So I'm going to roll out a little bit of yellow and a little bit of orange fondant, which I've already added some Tylo powder to it to help it firm up a little bit faster. And then we're going to cut out our shapes, put it all together, and then I'm going to hand paint the little message on the front using a little bit of gel food color. Alright, there's our cute little sunshine topper, and I think that turned out really cute. So now we're going to set this off to the side to dry for a little bit and firm up. Now one warning, do not put it in the fridge or in an airtight container. It will not firm up. You're going to want to put it somewhere warm and dry. And depending on if you're using Tylo powder or not, it can take anywhere from a couple of hours to a couple of days to dry. So if you're not using any at all, you're going to want to make these well in advance. Alright, so we're going to take care of this, and when we come back, we're going to start our crumb coats. So starting with our 6-inch, we're just going to be using the same white icing we used before, and I think I forgot to mention, it's just a white vanilla American buttercream, and we're just going to apply a nice thin layer over our entire cake, smoothing it out, sealing in all these crumbs. Then we're going to pop it in the fridge and repeat those steps with our 4-inch. So I've given my cakes lots of time to firm up, and my crumb coat is completely crusted over, so it's time to do our final coat of icing. So I've already mixed up a few different colors of blue, and starting at the base of my 6-inch cake, we're going to begin with a nice dark blue, applying a nice generous coat just around the base only. Then we're going to switch to our medium blue, and we're going to finish off the rest of the cake. Then I'm going to grab my bench scraper, and this is where the magic happens. As I'm smoothing out the sides, it's going to blend the two colors together, and it's going to give it a nice gradient effect. So once I'm finished with my 6-inch, we're going to pop that in the fridge to chill. Then we're going to grab our 4-inch and repeat those same steps all over again, starting with a medium blue at the bottom, fading to a light blue at the top. Alright, so we're going to get this started and work our way up from there. So we finished with our gradient effect, and I think it looks fantastic. I can't wait to see it when we put it all together. But while we're waiting for our cakes to chill, we're going to start working on some of our decorations, because this wouldn't be an under the sea cake without some cute little sea creatures. And the first one we're going to make is an adorable little baby seal. And we're also going to make a little crab, a little lobster, some starfish, and some seaweed too. Alright guys, so we finished all of our decorations and I think they turned out super cute. Have a look at them. So we have a whole bunch of little fishy silhouettes. We have some red and some yellow starfish and a couple of little jellyfish there too. We have some sea anemones, some snails, a whole bunch of seaweed, and then we have these little guys here too. Have a look at these. This cute little lobster and this adorable little baby seal. And then my favorite, this happy little crab. Isn't he cute? I can't wait to see him on the cake. It's gonna be so cute. Alright, so it's time to get these decorations on the cake, but we have to get it stacked first. So we're gonna go grab our cake layers, we're gonna stack our cake with some supports inside, then I'm gonna add all my decorations and my finishing touches, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Well, here you have it guys, and I'd love to know what you think. I just love it. I think it turned out so good. It's so bright and so colorful, and all those little figurines were actually really easy to make, and I thought they were the perfect finish to this under the sea cake. Well guys, that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit that big thumbs up button and leave me lots of love in the comment section too. And if you haven't done so already and you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you receive a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.